Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how do you remove the bulge from your windows. Okay, so let's say here I have one corner windows. Okay, so these corner windows you can take from the category of windows. Okay, under your cloud library you have doors and windows, and then under windows we have corner bay windows. Okay, you can use any that you want lah. Alright, and then let's say you take out one of each, this model, and then they have this bulge at the bottom. Okay, so then you plan to remove the bulge. Okay, you can just simply click on it, and then you have the material properties of your corner windows. Okay, and then under advanced parameters you can scroll down, and then you can remove the bulge. So let's say you don't want to have any bulge, just put on 0, enter, and then you can see there's no more bulge at the bottom. And then I put back to 50. See, you have the bulge. Okay, and then let's say if you want to change the texture to your windows, okay, you can click here. Okay, and then you can choose the new texture for your material. So let's say here I'm using matte metal, but I want to change to like maybe concave. Okay, maybe a white color. Just double click on it, so it will replace your windows color. So same goes at the bottom. Okay, if you want to change the material, you can just use any material from the finishing category. Okay, and then if you want to use as for plain color, just use under wallpaper, we have plain color, and then you can just drag and drop. So then it will change the material at the bottom. Okay, so this is how you change the material, and then how to remove bulge on your corner windows. Right, that is all from me. Thank you.